The mission and success of Missy B.K. Foundation. Every child in Cameroon has a unique and deeply inspiring story brimming with spirit, motivation, and triumph. But common factors as losing both parents or living in a less privileged home have significantly hindered their potential, access, and affordability to continue their education. The Missy B.K. Foundation partners with local community leaders, orphanages, and educators in Cameroon to identify girls and boys who are gifted, eager to learn, and financially challenged to support them with the necessary tools they need to succeed. The Missy B.K. Foundation focuses on rural areas in the different provinces of Cameroon to identify those that need help the most. This year, 2014, the Missy B.K. Foundation selected Helping Hands Children's Homes Orphanage, situated in Bamenda Northwest Province of Cameroon, and sponsored 3 boys and 2 girls who lost both parents but are gifted and eager to learn through their tenacity, determination, hard work, and motivation, despite the odds. These students have proven that they have what it takes to reach their full potential and become key players in creating a peaceful and successful Africa. We provided educational support for these students with merit-based scholarships, annual tuition fees, uniforms and personal supplies, shoes, and learning materials. This basic support allows these motivated students to immediately access higher quality education and set them on a track for success. The 5 chosen students are called Miranda, Francis, Joel, Tahiri, and Kari. They are all in secondary school in Form 2, working as a team with lots of guidance from Mr. and Mrs. Informi and Pastor Jerk, the founder of the Helping Hands Orphanage in Cameroon. We also promote literacy and success in children. At the beginning of this year, 2014, the Missy B.K. Foundation donated a laptop to Accesso to help them by giving the children the access of computer studies and online learning. Accesso, which is situated in the central province of Cameroon, Yaoundé, is a center for child educational supervision, language learning, and empowerment. This center encourages children in learning how to read and write, English language learning, kids library, music, sports, and computer studies, after-school club, tutoring, and supervision. The goal of one-on-one and small group literacy tutoring is to access and work with pupils and students' individual strengths, weaknesses, and interests through fun after-school activities. The program is designed to demonstrate that the trend of poor student achievement can be reversed and that all students can master academic standards if they are given time, support, and instruction that focuses on their academic needs. Join the Missy B.K. Foundation and make a change in someone's life now. If we cannot support 100 people, let's support 1 and make a difference.